Hello grade 3 students. Today we are going to solve worksheet 2. Let's start by exercise 1. Work out the following subtractions. The first operation, 100 minus 38. Usually I start from the right side. So 0 minus 8, we can't subtract 8 from 0 because 0 is less than 8. So I tend to borrow from the tens digit, which is 0. But we can't also, since 0 means nothing. Now the 0 in the tens digit tends to borrow from the 1 in the hundreds digit, so it becomes 0. And the 0 in the tens digit will become 10. So I borrowed 1 from the hundreds digit. Now the 0 in the ones digit can borrow from the tens digit because it becomes 10. So I borrow 1 so that the 0 in the ones digit will become 10, and the 10 in the tens digit will become 9. Now 10 minus 8, 2. Now 9 minus 3, 6. And there is no hundreds digits. Now, dear students, the second operation, 200 minus 51, the same. 0 minus 1, we can't subtract. So, I tend to borrow from the tens digit. But the tens digit is also 0. So, the tens digit tends to borrow from the hundreds 10, then the hundreds become 1, and the 0 in the tens digit becomes 10. Now the 0 in the ones can borrow from the tens, so the tens digit will become 9 and the ones digit will become 10. Now 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. And the 100, we put it down. The third operation is 100 minus 47. So 0 minus 7, we can't. So 0 will borrow from the 0 in the tens digit, but it can't. Now the 0 in the tens digit will borrow from the 100 digit. So the 100 digit will become 0 and the tens digit will become 10. The 0 in the ones digit will borrow from the tens, which is 10. So the ones digit will become 10 and the tens will become 9. Now 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. And there is no 100. Operation 4, 201 minus 138. Now 1 minus 8, we can't subtract. So the 1 will borrow from the 0, but it can't. So the 0 will borrow from the 2 in the hundredth digit. So the 2 will become 1 and the 10 will become 9. Now the 1 in the ones digit can borrow from the tens digit. So it becomes 9 and the 1 will become 11. Now we can subtract. So 11 minus 8, 3. 9 minus 3 is 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so there is no 100. The answer is 63. Now operation 5, 204 minus 97. The same. 4 minus 7, we can't subtract. So 4 tends to borrow from the tens digit, but the tens digit is 0. So now the 0 in the tens digit will borrow from the hundredths digit. So the 2 in the hundredths digit will become 1, and the 10 in the 0 in the tens digit will become 10. Now the 4 can borrow from the tens digit. So the tens digit will become 9 and the ones digit will become 14. Now 14 minus 7 is 7, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 1 will be down. So the answer is 107. Let's continue with operation 6. Now 200 minus 127. 0 minus 7 we can't subtract. So 0 tends to borrow from the tens digit, but it's 0. So the 0 and the tens digit will borrow from the 100. So the 100 will become 1 and the tens will become 10. Now the 0